Hello! In the next few minutes, I'll show you how Shift-Left API platform turns an API specification into a full suite of running tests. No manual scripting, no boilerplate. By the end, you'll have a project created, an API imported, tests generated with full coverage, tests customized, executed, and analyzed, all in one flow. Let's create a new project. Start by clicking the Project button in the top left corner. An Add Project window will pop up, ready for your input in the name field. Give your project a meaningful name, something you'll easily recognize later. As you type, you'll notice the platform checks availability in real time and confirms the name is good to go. Once you're happy with it, click Create Project to set things up. And just like that, our new project is created and ready to go. Next, let's import an API specification so we can pull in all the endpoints we'll be testing. As soon as your new project opens, the Import API to Project window appears automatically. You have two ways to bring in your API endpoints. One, import from URL. Second, upload file. Let's start by hitting the Upload File button. You'll also see a click or drag and drop area in the middle. Go ahead and click on it. When the File Explorer opens, select your OpenAPI specification file and click Open to load it in. With your file ready, hit the Import File button to start the process. The platform will now parse your specification. Once it's done, scroll through to review all the endpoints picked up from your spec, like the users and products routes. After you've had a look, hit the Close button to return to your project. Now let's explore the project's features and see the tests and execution options available for each endpoint. On the project page, you'll see the imported features, users, orders, and products, all ready to explore. In the left navigation pane, expand the My First Project folder to reveal everything inside. From there, open up the Users feature to see all its endpoints. Select the Create a New User endpoint, since that's the one we'll be working with. In the Endpoint panel, click on Endpoint Functional Coverage to see the endpoint's functional coverage details. At the moment, is it not showing any coverage details, as there is no test case built for this endpoint. Let's move on to generating and editing a test. We'll create test cases automatically, then customize them to fit our needs. To build out a test suite for this endpoint automatically, click the Generate Test button on the right. In just a moment, you'll see a full list of generated tests appear, along with a coverage verdict showing what scenarios are covered. Let's take a closer look at one of these tests. Click the Edit icon next to the Verify 201 response test to customize it. This opens the Edit Test modal, where you can review everything from the request details to the assertions. Scroll down to explore the test configuration and adjust anything you need. Once you're happy with the changes, lock them in by clicking Save Test. The test has been generated and edited successfully. Now for the moment of truth. Let's run the test and see how our API performs. Click the Run icon next to the Verify 201 response test. A progress bar appears as the platform executes the test against the API. And there we go. The status flips to Passed, confirming the endpoint is behaving exactly as expected. With the test run complete, we can now see how it performed. Time to review the results. We'll analyze the output to understand what passed, what failed, and why. To review what actually happened during the test, click the View Results icon next to the Pass test. This opens the Test Summary modal, your full breakdown of the run. Scroll down to explore the request that was sent, the response that came back, and the overall result details. Next, expand the Assertions section. This is where you'll see each individual check the platform ran against the response, so you can confirm exactly why the test passed. Now open the execution logs and scroll through them. These logs are incredibly helpful for debugging, giving you a step-by-step trail of everything that happened behind the scenes. Once you're done reviewing, simply close the Test Summary modal. And that's just the beginning. As you can see, Shift-Left Studio makes API testing remarkably simple and intuitive, with no code required. Take some time to explore the other powerful features waiting for you, and discover just how effortless end-to-end API automation can be.